In 2024, the landscape of kids' smartwatches has evolved dramatically, offering more than just a novel gadget. They're tools that balance fun with functionality. These watches come packed with features tailored for young users, from high-resolution cameras and interactive educational games to robust GPS tracking and fitness monitoring, ensuring parents' peace of mind. With customizable designs and restricted access to inappropriate content, these smartwatches embody the perfect mix of entertainment, safety, and style for the modern child. Keep watching for the 5 best smartwatches for kids in 2024. Seeking an affordable yet high-quality option for your child's first smartwatch? Look no further than the VTech Kidizoom Smartwatch DX3, hailed as the top budget-friendly smartwatch for kids in 2024. This user-friendly device is packed with features designed specifically for young users, including dual cameras for capturing photos, selfies, and videos, alongside engaging single and multiplayer games and handy daily reminders. What's more, the built-in light serves a dual purpose, functioning as both a camera flash and a handy flashlight. This fun gadget comes in vibrant shades of blue, pink, and purple, allowing kids to personalize their watch with over 50 lively animated faces or even their own photo creations. Sporting a 1.44-inch color touchscreen and 256 megabytes of internal storage, this smartwatch is ready for all the adventures your child can dream up. Charging is a breeze with the provided USB cable, setting the stage for endless hours of fun timing activities, playing games, and exploring creativity through photography. Kids will delight in their ability to add special effects to their videos and photos directly from the touchscreen, or change their voices with amusing effects for recorded messages. The DX3 isn't just about play. It also features tools like a pedometer, alarm, timer, stopwatch, calendar, calculator, and a system for managing daily tasks, making it a fantastic tool for teaching time management and responsibility. Compatible with other DX3 devices, it allows friends to share in the gaming fun and activity track. Parents will appreciate the ability to set reminders for their kids, ensuring routines like wake-up times and bedtimes are maintained. VTech continues its tradition of blending educational content with playful experiences in the DX3, making it a smartwatch that's as entertaining as it is practical for young users. In the quest for a smartwatch that delivers exceptional bang for your buck, the Xplora XGO3 stands out as the premier option for kids in 2024. This smartwatch goes beyond the basics, enabling children to make and answer calls from a list of pre-approved contacts. It expands communication with the capability to send and receive text messages, voice notes, and emojis, and even allows for responses via an associated app. With a 2MP camera front and center, youngsters can capture their daily adventures and photos, instantly sharing moments with family to keep everyone connected. These images can be stored in the watch's gallery or even used as a personalized wallpaper, adding a fun, customized touch. The XGO3 isn't just about keeping in touch, it also prioritizes safety with its precise location tracking through multiple services, letting parents define safe zones on a map around key locations like home and school. In urgent situations, the watch's SOS button enables quick notification to emergency contacts, sharing the child's whereabouts. Durability and practicality are also key, with the XGO3 boasting an IP68 water resistance rating, ensuring it keeps ticking through rain or swimming sessions. Storage-wise, the watch is equipped with 128 megabytes of RAM and ROM, providing ample space for photo storage. Security is paramount, as all communications are encrypted, ensuring a secure link between the watch, cloud server, and parent's app. Additionally, the school mode feature ensures that the watch remains non-distracting during class, limiting functionality to the SOS feature only. Thumbs up! Introducing the TickTalk 4 in our lineup of reviews, crowned as the top durable smartwatch for kids hitting the shelves in 2024. The TickTalk 4 not only stands out for its robustness, but also for the comprehensive suite of features it brings to the table, ensuring that young ones stay in touch while on the go. This smartwatch enables parents to keep an eye on their kids with features like live location tracking, calling capability, text messaging, setting up safe zones, and keeping tabs on their child's day-to-day activities. What makes the TickTalk 4 a hit among kids is its vivid high-resolution camera paired with an HD touchscreen display, allowing them to capture moments and photos and videos vividly. It boasts secure communication channels for sending messages, voice notes, pictures, emojis, and GIFs, all encrypted from start to finish. A standout feature is its partnership with iHeartRadio family, making it the first kids smartwatch to provide free access to a plethora of songs, podcasts, and stories, ensuring entertainment is just a tap away. Not only is the TikTok 4 packed with features like emergency calling, reminders, a do not disturb mode, fitness and location tracking, and over 20 parental controls, but it's also designed to endure the rough and tumble of kids' play. Its IP67 rating confirms its resistance against water and dust, while its capacity for shock absorption ensures it can take a knock. The watch's GPS technology offers precise real-time tracking for peace of mind. It also comes equipped with various sensors to monitor physical activities, including step count, blood oxygen levels, heart rate, and sleep quality. With a 5MP front-facing camera for clear video captures and an activity tracker to set daily movement goals, the TikTok 4 encourages both connectivity and a healthy lifestyle in a rugged package that's ready for anything. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now, so make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. We're thrilled to introduce the Garmin Vivofit Jr 3, claiming the title of the best kids fitness tracker smartwatch for 2024. This addition to Garmin's lineup for kids features a durable design that can withstand all sorts of bumps and knocks, making it perfect for energetic youngsters. The watch comes with an array of strap options, from vibrant hues to beloved characters from Disney and Marvel, all created from soft, kid-friendly rubber. The device is a dream for active kids who love the water, thanks to its waterproof build. Plus, with a battery life that extends up to a year, frequent charging is a thing of the past. Its colorful display lights up with various customizable screen themes, adding a personal touch. The Vivofit Jr 3 isn't just about keeping time. It's paired with a dynamic app that transforms routine tasks into rewarding adventures. By staying active and completing daily tasks, kids can unlock exciting games and adventures right there on their wrists. Garmin designed this smartwatch to make fitness fun. It monitors steps, sleep, and daily movement, turning these metrics into engaging, playful experiences through its companion app. For instance, an hour of activity could unlock thrilling adventures, and the more kids move, the more they get to explore within the app. They can even discover famous landmarks and earn virtual gems as rewards for their efforts. Parents will appreciate the comprehensive control features, allowing them to monitor their child's activities, sleep patterns, and set tasks directly from the app. Whether it's reminding them to brush their teeth or inviting them for a family walk, the Vivofit Jr 3 makes these reminders more engaging with fun icons. Beyond tracking and encouraging physical activity, this smartwatch integrates educational content and interactive challenges, promoting a healthy, active lifestyle among kids. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. And now meet the champion of our kids smartwatch lineup for 2024, the Xplora X6 Play. This model elevates the experience from its predecessor, the Xplora XGO3, by packing in more power and enhanced features that make it the best overall option for kids. With a beefed-up 5-megapixel camera and sleek Qualcomm processor, the X6 Play offers smoother operation and longer battery life, making it a hit with both parents and kids. Communication is a breeze with the Xplora X6 Play, supporting text messaging over Wi-Fi or a data plan, and clear quality voice calls with just a voice plan. The GPS tracking is notably sharper with its 4G capability compared to older 2G models, providing parents peace of mind with precise real-time location tracking. Plus, the device boasts an IPX6 waterproof rating, ensuring it can handle being submerged in water up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes without any damage. In emergencies, a quick press on the SOS button for 3 seconds will dial out to 3 pre-saved SOS numbers, cycling through until a response is received. The X6 Play stands out not just for its functionality, but also for its thoughtfully designed aesthetics. Unlike its predecessors, this model allows for customizable looks with interchangeable straps and cases, appealing to a wide range of taste. The X6 Play deliberately steers clear of social media and unsuitable internet content, focusing instead on keeping kids connected with their families in a safe manner. Its upgrades include not only a faster processor and improved display and camera quality, but also better sound from the speaker, and crucially for those snap-happy kids, expanded memory capable of storing up to 10,000 photos with its built-in camera. These enhancements make the Xplora X6 Play a standout choice, blending modern technology with a child-friendly approach for the ultimate smartwatch experience in 2024. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.